That's good.
Okay, so hello and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, you guys, as you guys can see from the thumbnail and the title, is going to be on this curly hair. Now, you guys had, a few of you guys had asked me under my top favorites AliExpress hair vendors video. And you guys had asked if I had any curly hair companies, you know, to recommend. And at the time, I didn't. That was at the time. But now, let me go ahead and introduce you to Alipearl hair. So, if you guys are familiar with my channel, then you guys have heard the name of that hair company before, because I did do a video on their 6x6 lace closure wig. That wig is amazing. If you guys want to see my like full in-depth review about that particular wig, then you guys should definitely check out that video. So I will go ahead and leave it linked down below for you guys. But aside from that, yeah, this hair is from Alipearl hair, so I am no stranger to their hair. So in this video, I am definitely going to be speaking from experience, because this is my second hair texture from them, and yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys, like, you know, all the details and the specs, you know, on this hair, and why I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in there as a top company for curly hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, and I've already done this side of my head. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side, you guys. I've already detangled it, and even when I detangled it and brushed it out, you guys, like, this is the curl pattern that is still there. So I have 3 bundles and a closure, but not just any kind of closure, you guys. I know you guys see this part. This is a 6x6 lace closure. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the details of this hair. But before I start doing my curly hair routine on this side, I want to show you guys like the packaging. Well, it actually came packaged in a DHL bag. So with DHL, their shipping was 2 days. So the order shipped out on a Wednesday, and then I received it literally that Friday. So of course I threw away the DHL packaging. It didn't come in like a fancy box or like a nice silk bag or anything. It just came packaged normal. I'll go ahead and insert a clip for you guys on the screen somewhere so you guys can see how the hair looks in its natural state. They sent this little, it's got product in it, you guys, but they sent this little edge brush. Like, I have been wanting one of these for the longest, and it's pink, so that makes it 10 times better. But yeah, they sent this little edge brush, and then also they sent like this satin little, you know, head wrap to wrap around your head. So it does have their logo on it. It's not centered, you guys. Like, this is how long it is, and you can see it's like kind of off center, but that's not really that big of a deal. I use this faithfully every single night, like, just because it's like good and it doesn't like rub against my edges. So I really like this. Like, I have been needing something like this, so I really like the fact that they sent this, you guys. This is way better than a little cheap pair of lashes, so thank you so much to them for that. I'm just gonna see if I can multitask here for you guys. So if you're somebody that's going to be working with curly hair, I would definitely recommend that you guys get you one of these. I got this off of Amazon. Like, this is like a mister, you know, hair sprayer, and it works amazing. Like, it gets the hair wet super duper fast. Like, you don't even have to like keep squirting. You just like let it do its thing. As always, you guys, I always make sure to mention it, because sometimes you guys will get a little bit confused and think that this is like a closure wig or a frontal wig from, you know, whatever hair company I'm telling you guys about. But I did go ahead and make this hair into a wig myself, so this is a custom unit in a sense. I think that's what you call it. That's how you say it. So yeah, I have two 26-inch bundles and then a 24-inch bundle, and I did go ahead and use all three of the bundles. If you guys are familiar with me in my videos, I always say, like, when I make my wigs, I don't like a lot of hair on my head, so I wasn't sure. But then again, I did get this hair in pretty long lengths, so I was like, let me just go ahead and use all three of the bundles, because I didn't want it to come out looking like thin, you know, and whatnot. So closure is really good, you guys. Like, this closure is amazing. Like, of course, I'm already naturally a big fan of 6x6 lace closure wigs, but do you guys see that? Like, I did not go in and bleach my knots. I'm kind of debating if I want to or not, but honestly, I don't think that I need to. So my knots are not bleached, as you guys can see, and this is how good the closure is looking. You guys can totally finesse these types of closures and get them to look like frontals, and nobody would ever know. Yeah, frontals are really nice and all, but they are a lot of work. They're a lot of maintenance. Like, I'm just like kind of over them right now. I'm not gonna stop wearing them, but I just needed a break. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with some mousse. You can go in with any mousse of your choice. My favorite one to use is the Lotta Body Foamy Mousse. It's got the coconut and shea oils in it. So I'm not gonna put too much product on the hair, because I don't want to weigh the hair down. And I find that the less product that I put on this hair, the better. It's just something about this hair. Like, you could literally just put water on it and a very teeny little bit of product, and the curls just automatically pop so nicely. Now, I do have my wide tooth comb here, but you guys can see, like, this hair just glides through my finger. It does not get tangled at all, and it's just really easy to, like, you know, deal with. Like, look how easy it is for me to brush this through. So most of the times I do like finger detangle and all that stuff. This is the hair fully saturated. It's fully wet. If you guys seen in the clip earlier, I did show it to you when it was it had been like probably 4 days since I touched up the hair. I just wanted to see how long I could go without it, like, or until it got to the point to where it needed to be like freshened up again. And as you guys can see for yourself, like, it looked really good for me not having put any water, any mousse, no gel, no nothing on it for 4 days. So that's why I say that I like really like this hair, and I definitely had to do a video on it for you guys. So at this point, this is pretty much all that I'm going to do to the hair. If you do want to maintain the wet look like this, then you are going to want to like seal it in with some type of oil, because that's going to give you like that, you know, sleek look to make it seem like it's still wet throughout the entire day. So if that's the look you're going for, then, you know, do that. Today, not necessarily going for that look, so I'm just going to leave it. So yeah, this is the hair when it is fully saturated and wet. So as far as like maintenance and keeping up on this hair, you guys, like, only thing that I do make sure to do is to co-wash this hair, you know, co-wash it. That is going to make sure that your curls stay popping and that they don't dry out. You don't necessarily have to shampoo this hair every time, you know, unless you have like a lot of product buildup, then do it. But every week, you know, every like 6 days is I do make sure to go in and co-wash the hair and then go ahead and do my little curly hair routine. Yeah, this hair is just everything and more, you guys. I've seen a lot of good reviews for their deep wave hair. People have like nothing but good things to say about it. If I didn't already mention, you guys, the shedding, because I know that's a big question that gets asked a lot. So this is curly hair. Yes, it is going to shed, but this hair doesn't shed too terribly. To be honest, the only time that I do get shedding with this hair is when I'm going in and detangling it. That's pretty much it that I wanted to say about this hair, you guys. If you guys are interested in it, then I will make sure, as always, to leave all of the information down below in my description box for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, And if you guys want to see an update, you guys know I love coming back to give you guys updates. So if you want to see it, let me know. Yeah, that's it. Bye, guys.